Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2019 Ford Edge and I will show you which fuses to check in case your radio is not powering up or if there is no sound coming from the speakers. Now this video will apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2020. If you have 2021 or newer, the location of fuses will be different. Now all of the fuses will be located in a small fuse box just behind this cover. It's deep inside and it's quite hard to reach actually, so there is one way of reaching through this opening. So if you just pull this cover towards yourself, you will see the fuses deep inside. I will turn the flash on my phone actually. You see, there are all the fuses just there. Other option is to get yourself into awkward position and try to reach it from underneath. Depending which fuse you have to check, it might be easier sometimes through here or just through here. Whatever you do, you'll have a bit of trouble reaching them, but that's just the way it is on this vehicle. Okay, so the first fuse you want to check will be a fuse number 28, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse responsible for power to the amplifier. And that fuse, I'm not sure how will I show you this. I'll try to zoom it in actually. This is the fuse, you see this yellow one. Now it's really awkward and hard to reach it, but this is the fuse. If I squeeze my hand inside, you won't be able to see what I'm recording because my hand will be on the way. So this is the first fuse to check. Okay, then the next fuse will be fuse number 32, which is a 10 amp red fuse responsible for power to Ford Sync and for radio transceiver module. And that fuse will be 4 spots under the first one I showed you. So it's gonna be, you see this red fuse, there is a left 10 amp fuse and the right 7.5. The left one is the one that you need. Okay, I'll try to zoom it in a bit. Okay, so you see just here where I'm pointing. This is the guy I want to check. And then just under that fuse you will see a yellow 20 amp fuse. See the guy right here, and this is your main radio fuse. You want to check if there is no power to the radio at all. Yeah, once again, I'm not sure why this is located where it is. It's really hard to reach. Doesn't really matter if you try to reach it through this opening or if you try to reach it from underneath. You're gonna have trouble, but it is what it is, and those are the fuses you want to check. If all of these fuses prove to be good, then the next step is scan the vehicle, see if there is any codes in the radio module. If there is no code, then it's worth to pull out the radio, check all the wiring and connections behind the radio. And if you don't have sound from the speaker but the radio works, it's also worth to check the wires behind this rubber sleeve on the driver door. Quite often these wires will get damaged and that will cause many problems. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.